We'll guide you through how to make white concrete in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you're going to go and need is sand, gravel and bones. So then what you need to do is quickly go and get this, and we're going to start with the bones. So what you need to do is go to a crafting table, put the bones into a crafting table and grab the bone meal, and go and put the bone meal in the crafting table again, and then go and get white dye, just like so. And then open up the crafting table again, and then what you need to do is you need to go and put 4 bits of sand into a crafting table, like so, and then put 4 bits of gravel in. And then what you need to do is put your white dye in, and you'll then go and get white concrete powder. The formation doesn't matter. And there we go, we've now got concrete powder, and you'll be thinking, how can I turn this into concrete? Well then all you need to do is go and put it in water, and as you can see, it'll then go and turn to concrete. I've now got a pickaxe, and what you can do is go and mine it, and as you can see, we now have white concrete. It's that simple.